The dbest Products Stair Climber Cart uses a three-wheel cluster on each side to roll smoothly up and down stairs, curbs, and uneven sidewalks with far less strain on your arms and back than a standard two-wheel cart. Its steel frame feels solid and well-balanced, and the protective coating helps it resist rust and scuffs, even when it is hauled through parking lots or stored in a damp garage. The cushioned, curved handle is genuinely comfortable to hold and does a good job absorbing shock, which makes longer walks from the supermarket or laundromat noticeably easier. When you are done using it, the cart folds down to a slim, flat shape and locks closed, so it can slide into a car trunk or hang on a wall without taking over your storage space. The high-density wheels roll quietly and handle cracks, tiles, and rough pavement without much vibration, so delicate groceries or laundry are less likely to get jostled around. Its lightweight, open basket design and easy maneuvering make it a practical everyday hauler for groceries, laundry, office supplies, or garden tools for users of many ages and strengths.